Alright, I'm going to show how to put a diaper on a 12 to 15 pound baby using the small rise setting. And this little girl's got some chunky thighs, so this will be a good one to show. So right now I've got the long insert inside. It is snapped over and the fold is to the back. So the fold is right underneath under the tag. I have the insert stuffed and it's all the way to the tip. This is my insert right here at the front of that diaper. We want it to be at the tip of the diaper. So just slide the diaper in under her. And I want the back elastic to be right around her belly button line. So I'm going to slide it down just a little bit. Okay, so now it's right where I need it to start. And then you need to scoop the back pocket. So you can kind of see what I'm doing back here. See, there's your pocket opening right here. And then there's the elastic right here for the back of the pocket. So you kind of want to scoop that back pocket and the elastic, and you want to hold it in place in the diaper. Make sure that you are not holding your insert. You just want to hold against the diaper. And so, because at this point, alright, so just going to grab the front, scoop in that pocket, and I'm going to stretch it forward. And if you can see, I stretched it forward about an inch, maybe a little less. And then I'm going to grab the front of the diaper and I'm going to squish it hot dog style, just like this. And then I'm going to work it up between her legs until my fingers are kind of under the rise snaps, almost like hooked in. And then I kind of use that to go over the top of their hips around the waist, because this whole part needs to go around the waist. I don't want the elastics at all on her thighs. I want them to be so far in the underwear line that I can't even see them. So then you wrap it around their waist, and I kind of tug up a little bit on the wing, because again, I don't want it over her thigh here. I want to go around the waist. And I'm snapping it in, the third snap in. So she's, like I said, we got some big old thighs here. Same on the other side. Wrap it around her waist, tug up, third snap in, and then any of this white fleece material, I just kind of grab the very edge and I tuck it all underneath. And I kind of lift up, make sure everything's tucked in where it needs to be. Make sure all those little baby rolls are on the outside of her diaper. And then I push the rise up. You want to make sure it's all the way up. And there we go. That's about how it should look.